Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coder Free AIA. I am Hifza and today we are kicking off our brand new Python Kivy tutorial series. The goal of this series is to teach you how to create mobile applications using Kivy. I am using the Kivy library, but feel free to use any Python UI framework you are comfortable with. Let's begin with the basic structure of a Kivy app. You will need this structure in almost every of your project. Here what that function looks like. Let me explain from the beginning that we are first importing app from a Kivy app. This is a core class that controls your entire app, like a movie director that controls everything. Next, we are creating our own app which inherits from app. Inside that, we are defining the build method. This is kind of like an initializer or on start method in other frameworks. It runs when the app starts. Lastly, this line of code tells the Python to run the app when the file is executed. Now let's run the app. I'm pressing Ctrl B on Windows and let's see what will be the output. And here you see that we are having a blank window. That is because we haven't told Kivy what to display yet. So let's just simply add a label and to show something on the screen. For that, we need to import label first from Kivy UIX library, from Kivy UIX, kivy.uix.label, import label, and we're going to show this label here in instead of none. Label text equals to hello from Kivy. Now run it again and see what will be the output. Here you see that our label is appearing on the screen. Now let's talk about a cleaner and more professional way to write your UI using Kivy language. It is similar to HTML in concept. It separates your design from your logic. So for this we need to write Kivy equals, and that's it. You will need to write your code inside your UI code inside this Kivy. So let's write Dribbble. Remove the label from here and write label here with text equals test colon hello from Kivy. So let's import builder to return this Kivy by using builder.load string. So from Kivy.language import builder. Now display this builder here in return. I'm gonna write builder.load string, and in brackets we need to give Kivy. Now run it again, first save it and run it again and see. You are seeing the same result, but the code is more organized and easier to read. Now let's talk about another way of writing this code that is more professional and more cleaner, to separate this Kivy code with our logic part and to make this UI elements in a separate file. So for this we need to create a new file and then save it as my design dot Kivy. We have to save this with the extension of Kivy. So now let's add label without adding anything up and below. Hello from separate file. Let's save it. And then go back in mykivy.py. Now we have to load this file in this mykivy.py. So for this we need to remove this kv, and we also have to remove this class that we have created. We need to create another class with the same name of mydesign.kv. We're gonna write mydesign, and similarly we need to add app, and here we just need to add pass, and here also we need to change the name of the app with design. Okay, let's save it. Here's the magic. Kivy will automatically load the .kv file if its name matches the class name in lowercase. So let's just run it again. And see, you now have the same output as before, but the approach is different. So these are the methods that you can use to write your basic Kivy structure. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned 3 different ways to write UI in Kivy: using pure Python, using Kivy string inside Python, and using a separate .kv file. That is actually the best method. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. And if anything was unclear, drop a comment and I will always be here to help. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, peace and happy coding.